Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. And here we go. Today we're making maple sponge toffee, also known as maple honeycomb candy. This 4-ingredient toffee is light, airy, crunchy, and packed with rich maple flavor. Made with pure maple syrup and no corn syrup. This classic candy comes together quickly with just one pot and a dramatic baking soda reaction. Perfect for holidays, gifting, or a sweet maple treat any time of the year. First, we're gonna line our 8x8 or 9x9 pan with parchment paper. So in a heavy saucepan, we're gonna combine the maple syrup, honey, and water. We're gonna cook that over medium heat, stirring gently until everything is dissolved. Now we're gonna attach a candy thermometer and cook without stirring until the mixture reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 Celsius. And we're going to immediately remove it from the heat. Then we're going to sift our baking soda over the surface. Then we're going to stir once or twice only until the mixture foams up and expands. Then immediately pour it into our prepared pan. Do not spread it out or touch it in any way. Then we're going to let it cool completely at room temperature, about 45 minutes to an hour. Once it's very firm, lift it out of the pan and break it up into pieces. And there it is, maple sponge toffee. Store in an airtight container and enjoy. The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.